everyone and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary recap of our Improvers Solo Rumba practice routine number 3. I taught this live online in a class on the 4th of July 22. So if you're looking in my full video library in my website, you're looking for the full class. It was a rumba and quick step combined 90-minute class. Now let's make a little start. So we focused on several basics, and then we looked at a fan into hockey stick, into a reverse top, not the natural top, and then we opened out with a spiral to Aida, and then finishing with a fencing line. So there was a lot going on. Now I was dancing on the followers' timing, so we didn't convert this to leaders' timing in that particular lesson, okay? But we are dancing solo, and my leaders and followers are all working through all the steps because it's actually really good for the brain to be working on left and right and focusing on challenging our brain. So I started with an open basic, so I went back 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, do it again, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. I did 2 normal side basics or cucarachas, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Alternative basic, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. So that was our little set of basics. I then did L-shaped basic or a normal closed basic, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Closed hip twist to fan, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Walk on to the hockey stick, 2, 3, 4, break back, 2, 3, 4. There's my preparation for the reverse top, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now from here, I break back and I will spiral, 2, 3, 4. Walk on, open to Aida, 2, 3, 4. We did the rocks, 2, 3, 4, and finished with a fencing line, 2, 3, and 4. Guys, I'm actually just going to come back a little bit. I think I'm a little bit further forwards in the picture than you need me to be. Let me do that all from the beginning. And 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. There we go, guys, just a very short summary. As you know, not risky doing this with music because I'm on YouTube trying to keep out of copyright issues. So keep practicing. Hope you've enjoyed this. This was Improvers Solo Rumba practice routine number 3, taught in a class on the 4th of July 22. And I will see you very soon in another video. Bye-bye.